How to serve champagne. Serving any sparkling wine like champagne is little bit sophisticated. As champagne is a sparkling wine and it is costly, so years of practice and deep attention is necessary to serve it properly. Serving of champagne is quite similar to that of any other wine, however the method or procedure of opening bottle differs. If you really like to know the steps, then pay your deep attention. 1. First present the wine list to your guest. There will be champagne list. Sometime it may happen that you are out of stock, so be sure which champagne you have in your stock. 2. Before serving champagne, try to learn details about it. Learn their brand name, regions, alcoholic content, etc. Superior champagne, which are the finest champagne of all, generally found in French. 3. After taking order from the guest, prepare BOT, beverage order ticket. A BOT is like KOT, kitchen order ticket, and it also made in triplicate. Among these 3 copies, one is made for waiter, one is for bartender, and another is for cashier. Before moving forward with our topic, I request you to please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon and allow all notifications so that you don't miss any informative video. Please like this video and also suggest in comment any other topics you want to see or how can we improve our content. Also, it takes a lot of efforts to bring informative content like this. And you can support us on this UPI or PayPal, which will help us and motivate us to bring more informative content. Now back to our topic. 4. After preparing, give 1 copy of BOT to bartender and receive the order champagne bottle. Always remember, champagne is served chilled, at 45 degrees, wrapped with a napkin and covered with another one which is called baby wrap. Just after receiving the bottle from bartender, place it in refrigerator or cooler. 5. Now let's learn how to set up table for serving champagne. Champagne is served in champagne flutes, champagne tulip, and champagne saucer. 6. The glass should be placed below the water goblet on the right of each cover. 7. You should bring the champagne in a champagne bucket in a stand with ice. Keep it on the right of the host. 8. The pressure of the champagne bottle should be around 4.925 kilograms per square. Do give much care on not to shake, otherwise pressure will build up and create accidents. 9. Present the wrapped bottle of champagne to the host for his confirmation. While presenting, label should be facing toward guest so that he can read it. 10. After being confirmed from the host, proceed to the next procedures. After presentation, keep the bottle in wine cooler. The neck of the bottle should be kept pointing towards ceiling so that if cork released by mistake, then no one gets hurt. 11. To open the bottle properly, first cut and remove the foil cover and tourniquet. Then place your thumb on the cork and at the same time remove the cork, harness and hood by twisting the bottle to loosen the cork. This is the best way to open the bottle to avoid pressure growing. Never do the reverse. Keep the angle of the bottle at 45 degrees and must be pointed towards ceiling. 12. After opening, proceed to serve the guests clockwise. Serve ladies first, then others, and at last to the host. 13. Pour 1/3 of the glass. Refill the glass periodically. 14. To avoid spillage, before filling the glass fully, just gently turn the bottle with a twist. 15. After pouring sufficient amount of champagne, re-wrap the bottle with a temporary bottle stopper and replace in the ice bucket or chiller with a napkin wrapped on it. That's it for the video. I hope you learned something from it.